So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. When I'm general knowledge part 2 kan enanga hada apan question chado do amdona chuan I nimina po han video pahat kalo upload to ta po chuan question chu am to indu chuan van le theya hemi voinami question number 1 nita which of the following represents billion characters anita tro billion characters ama sabar chuan kanshia turju billion a hian zero engzat nge omchin mo billion kan ti hian 10 to power 9 anita omzia chu 0 hi a vine pakwa omchin tari billion a chuan chu tiang bo chuan million tita ela million a hian 10 to power 6 ania 1 2 3 4 5 6 anita option ra kan shia thei chu hemi hi memory unit chungchang anita hemi memory unit lampang anita terabyte megabyte kilobyte le gigabyte chu vine ama sabara 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 byte anita 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobyte anita 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 MB anita chuan 1 terabyte equals to 1024 gigabyte anita kilo hi anzat nge 10 to power 3 nita mega hi 10 to power 6 ania tera hi 10 to power 12 anita 8 trillion anita mo terabyte hi trillion antachin ajan ju trillion character omchin ta hian megabyte a hian million character omchin chuan gigabyte hi kan answer ajan ju gigabyte a 10 to power 9 ani thina this will be our answer gigabyte hi kan answer. How many sessions of Lok Sabha are normally held in a year? Okay, Lok Sabha hian session pathum omchina I nang mani ni shemai tenga in remember tan le trick tan ka kalau shilok chongmo BMW in shianga automobile manufacturing company ni tama Germany ami in shianga BMW a hian budget session monsoon session le winter session hetachang hian in remember tenga in thengil thailongmo short trick ni tami chuan claim can explain belanga budget session anita tro chimiza monsoon session anileta chimiza winter session ania tro winter session budget session hi February atangin May an china chimiza monsoon session hi July atangin September an china topami winter session hi November atangin mid kantethei mid alive elama mid December. Where is the headquarters of Central Potato Research Institute located in the potato? Amachu Asia Turju Central Potato Research Institute Patna a omchinta a Patna hian kumsang khatle zakua le somli pakwa a oma ansiam tama hemi institute masemo an headquarter hi Shimla a an shift ta chichu kumsang khatle zakua somnga paruka chu vaina answer Shimla. The nitrogen in the ecosystem is circulated by tunga bacteria hena circulator aju nitrogen atangin ammonia kan convert hian hemi hi eng process nge nitrin hemi nitrogen fixation kan chinta hemi process a hian bacteria hian role play lutuk chin chimi function bacteria hi answer chin. In which type of rocks are coals and petroleum found? Okay, metallic mineral tam tak entirnan I tin kan ti tehi mo copper kan ti tehi le zinc kan ti tehi mo lead plumbum kan ti tehi hei tiang shim hi khoyange kan mu amju khoyange anom chin ti chuan igneous rock anom chuan metamorphic rock anom chin chuan sedimentary rock ti chuan coal oma petroleum oma I iron ores to po anom chin sedimentary rock a chuan kan answer chu sedimentary rock. Who is the first Indian to have won the Pulitzer Prize? Pulitzer Prize is khoyang and patron tichuan newspaper an pe magazine an pe chun online journalism ti te literature musical composition khatiang vela khan pe vechinta India kan sei chuan kumsang khatle zakwa somthum pasaria khan Gobind Bihari Lal hi journalism khan 1937 Pulitzer Prize dongta. The general formula of Easter is okay Easter kan ti chandra ama sabara kan enanga ROR omse CH3 tihian CH3 mo tihian agent ROR eta ether kan tita ether hian oxygen molecule hian methyl group amo alkyl group hi lelam apani omchin ether hian oxygen lelam hian alkyl group hi pahnia omchin alkyl group hi mo chuan hemi ketone ani leta a ketone a chuan carbon monoxide lelam a alkyl group om thin tihan alkyl group om thin alkyl mo amzia chu C chuan hata han CH3 hei CH3 hei ketone anita chu tiangwok chan hemi carboxylic acid ania COOH a om piang in acid ani thin ti kan ria tur ania chu vain hei po hi ani lo answer chu ester hemi hi a answer in shin hemi hi a answer which of the following river shares water with Pakistan anita tro okay kumsang khatle zakwa somruka khan Indus water treaty and sign ta mo chichu tule tu inkara India le Pakistan inkara khan kumsang khatle zakwa somruk a khan tu mulain World Bank kha mediator ta broker anta mo tuinang mani pon mangula chun kai mani pon kan mangan tia hemit pani hian country pani hian India में भी ताहन रेलौते तांसियम लो किला राफदविन ईस्ट लमा फ्लो हाउ ही बियास अनिया रावी अनिया चन सतलुज अनिता चन वेस्ट लमा फ्लो जोंखा इंदस अनिता झेलम अनिता चन चेनाब अनिया चिमी वागजन चेनाब झेलम ले इंदस all of the above अनिता आंसर मो What was the birth name of Jahangir? Okay, Jahangir hi kan englo putanga Jahangir hi Akbar of Apan chen Jahangir hi Salim mingin an kautrinta The basic quantity in the international system of units is SI unit antini chimo SI unit ahian fundamental unit entaila pasari omchin pasari oma length po oma yes mass oma chuan time temperature mole light intensity avain omani hi oma chu parukom chuna pasari na chuange electric current chu vain answer hi all the above Length hi ange meter ania mass hi ange kilogram ania time hi second ania temperature hi kelvin ania mole hi amount of substance ania chun luminous intensity hi candela antichina electric current hi ange ti chuan hei chu ampere tuna the planet known as earth twin ti chuan I eng planet nge tihian sun anita heta mercury oma heta venus oma heta Earth oma heta Mars oma tro heta Jupiter hemi chu ngai lo kan question ahian tuna which planet is known as Earth's twin antia Earth's twin hi morning star po kan china morning star po kan te chuan evening star po kan chin evening star nga tinge Earth's twin anti athan chu asai zia in ang tu Venus ani ta mo chumi planet ming chu Venus ania hemi morning star po antia evening star po antia chuan Earth's twin anti. The Cape route from Europe to India was first discovered by Vasco da Gama. Chuchu antik kumange 1498. Vasco da Gama kha I Portugal ami nita mo sailor nita. Chuchu India ron kal masabere European ani bok. Vasco da Gama kha kumsang khatle zali somruka khan apiang ta a Portugala Lisbon capital ania. Tuna question poi moda ukalo shilcheunga in notebook ain loziak donya. Portugal antik khan ngan local ti chuan 1498 English and tikhan ngan local ti chuan kumsang khatle zaruka Dutch hauka ona chu Netherlands mi hau hi Dutch kan ti thina tro antikan local ti chuan kumsang khatle zaru le pahnia French hau hi antikan ngan local ti chuan kumsang khatle zaruk somruk palia Ami question hi which of the following lake is located in Kerala ti chuan enge Koleru lake hi nimin ahan kan discussa Koleru lake hi Andhra Pradesh oma mo chuan Chilka lake hi Urisa oma chuan Vembanad lake hi Kerala oma chuan Loktak lake hi Manipura omtani mo thilpa din sia turju longest lake in India ti chuan Vembanad lake hi chuan chu Kerala om Gautam Buddha was born in Gautam Buddha hi khoyange apian ti chuan Nepal apiang ta tra Lumbini Nepal apianga chu Lumbini apiang ta Kapil Vastu hi Lumbini chu Nepal Question number 36 ahian Veer Savarkar International Airport is located in Veer Savarkar ti chuan mo hemi Andaman and Nicobar Island ahian hemi airport hi omta Mumbai chu Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport ani tatro hemi chuan Chandigarh ami chu Mohali International Airport ani ta chuan Delhi mi chu mi zon an shiat karinga shiat lo chuna poilo wa voina in shianga Indira Gandhi international airport ne chu vain Andaman and Nicobar Island hi Saddle Peak pom ta hian mo Andaman and Nicobar Island khoshan pakhat thadeu anzota exam atan mo chu enge Andaman and Nicobar Island High Court omem a omlo Andaman and Nicobar Island case vel an soldon ni chon khoyangan eng High Court angan kalti chen Kolkata High Court an kalchen. And then Aizawl Mizoram mi potro Mizoram High Court omlo maseng Gawati case and solved chain. Which among the following was not a governor of RBI Reserve Bank of India? Amasaber achon India first governor teachon governor of RBI teachon Sir Osborne Smith anita Sir Osborne Smith hi India Rama governor first ama sabra anita chu kumsang khatle zakwa somthum pasaria anita maseng first Indian governor tichon tunge CD Deshmukh anita chu kumsang khatle zakwa somli pathuma ange kan khoshan tunge Alanilau tro hai Manmohan Singh ju anito Urjit Patel po nito Raghuram Rajan po nito mahan Sunil Arora hi chu Alanilau RBI hi engtik kumakhan nge unnationalized tichon hemi khoshan important via muturatam hemi khoshan mo January ni khat kum sang khat zakwa le somli pakwa Tuna question number 38 ahian which of the following tribe is related to Sikkim ahian eng tribe nge hemi pali han ma Boro jing sianga Boro land diman na satem hi Assam anita hemi chu Assam aminia Dimasa po hi Assam ve thau anita ma eastern le heta western lam Assam ahian Dimasa yanoma Hojai ti po hi Assam ve thau an pathumin Assam vek male Bhutia hi Sikkim amian chin Bhutia tribe hi Sikkim anom chin Who is associated with the introduction of local self-government in India tijon? Local self-government tivele kan real ruaron lan masakbar tuchu Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon ka viceroy anita kumsang khatle zariat somriat atangin kumsang kha zariat somriat pali inkara mo. Jon amahian UPSC kan exam tatro civil services exam ahian akumzat kumsom pakwa atangin kumsom ni pakhat atitam tu kumni ati sang tu khatunge ti chon Lord Ripon bok khan chin hemi mo Lord Ripon. Question number 40 transition elements siang transition elements and then SPD le F block kaneta S block hi khoyange omthin group 1 le trua oma group 1 hi ange kanti thin alkali metal ania group 2 hi ange alkaline earth metal anita eng group ange metal po non metal po metalloid po eng chu eng group nge ti chuan P block a oma chumi chu chuan F block hi chu inner transition element ania baseng D block hi transition element kan ti thin transition element hi group 3 atangin group 11 a china chuan periodic table a po hian hei alaya hian thin mo heta hian hemi hi D block ani thin hemi S ania hei P ania hei inner transition ole tizong hi voina kan discuss I set apathumna naktu ka most probably naktu ka hen naktu tu ka kalo post lenga question dei train lo ti chon ati hian I short note te siamula hunda rang ponzir thoula chon next video ka in mule don ya